sir. Turning. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Abby and I'm sitting in my BMW E92 335i. So in this video, I'm going to be installing my carbon fiber diffuser. So I'll be honest, today's not one of the best days. It was raining in the morning. I'm sick, so I'm sorry for how my voice sounds. A couple of things broke, man. So the tripod that I was going to use to make this video actually broke, so I actually ended up getting a new one. The screws that go in my diffuser were in my garage somewhere. I can't find them right now. So I actually went to Canadian Tire. They didn't have the size that I was looking for, so I went to Home Depot and I picked up a few screws and washers, and hopefully it works, man. Hopefully it fits. So yeah, about the diffuser. I actually got the diffuser yesterday, and I've been waiting for like about a month and a half, maybe 2 months. It's been a minute. It's been a long time since I've been waiting for this diffuser just to finish my car. You know, it's the last piece of the puzzle. Well, the last biggest piece of the puzzle. You know, there's still a couple of bits and pieces remaining, like one of the rails that go on the roof. It's also in my garage somewhere. I can't find it, so once I find it, I'm gonna put that in. But yeah, the diffuser. I don't know if you guys know, but I do have a GTS carbon fiber hood, which is actual real carbon fiber, and it looks amazing. It looks beautiful. But the diffuser, which is chilling in the back seat right now, it's actually hydro dip carbon. So I'm gonna show you what it actually looks like right here, if I can get it. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what the diffuser looks like. And so yeah, this is what the diffuser looks like. As you can tell, it's hydro dip carbon. I don't know, I'm not really the biggest fan of it, and I'm probably gonna order a new one that's actual real carbon, because knowing me, it's gonna bother me. And yeah, but as you can tell, I have no patience, so I'm just gonna install this today just to finish my car, because I don't know if it's just me, but I hate returning stuff online. It's just too much work for me. I love buying things online though. You know, they get here quick sometimes. This didn't get here quick anyways. But my car's a little dirty. As I mentioned before, it was raining in the morning. So I'm just waiting in the line for the car wash right now. I'm gonna get a car wash, clean the car a little bit, and try my best to make the diffuser look good. So the lineup is actually not that long today. There's just 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. Usually it's all the way back there. So I do get my car washes at Petro Canada because they have touchless, and I only get touchless. I love that carbon fiber hood. I don't want any scratches on it. But yeah, let's get it. A little bit of sound check for y'all. Let's get it. So the car's all cleaned up, looking clean. I don't know, what you guys think about the wrap? I'm gonna make a video soon about the whole process that I did. But yeah, I did the whole thing myself. Turned out pretty good actually. I don't know, you guys could be the judge of it. But yeah, amazing wrap. Anyway, so after I get a car wash, I basically have this process that I follow. So I use 2 microfiber rags, clean ones, one for these 2 wheels, one for the other 2 wheels, and then I use 2 or 3 or 4 for the whole car, you know, so from the top to bottom. So I do have a couple of products that I use to keep the car clean, like clean the whole thing. There's this wax cleaning thing that I have. I try and do it once a month, but this tire shine product, basically do it every time I get a car wash. It stays for a couple of days, which is not too bad. You just basically shake it and then spray it around the tire, shines it. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. Yeah, same thing here. And for this, like a light spray is good. I don't like to put too much. Same thing on the other side. So now that the car is all cleaned up, it's time to put the diffuser on. This color is beautiful. So I'm just gonna place the camera here and get to work. So yeah, this is what the diffuser looks like. Basically go on like this. Yeah, hopefully it looks good. So there's a couple of clips here, and then there's gonna be these holes down here to put the screws in. So yeah, just gonna get right into it. Anyways guys, that's it for the install video. I'm going to show you how the carbon diffuser looks like. I don't know, I don't think it looks too bad, but it's just so crazy seeing this car almost finished. It's been a long time, and yeah, it's finally closer to being done. I don't know, I'll probably give this diffuser like a 6 or a 7 out of 10. You know, I definitely want that real carbon, but for now this is gonna have to do. Damn, that's actually crazy. So clean. Give you a full tour of the car. Oh man, this carbon hood just steals the show every time. Amazing. One more look at the carbon diffuser. But yeah, that's the whip. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.